Namaste everyone and welcome to another video. This is going to be a yoga sequence to help you awaken your body, and this is beginner friendly. So it's going to be a short practice just to awaken the energy points in our body and feel the stretches in different parts of our body. So let's begin. So first of all, let's find a comfortable seated position, and we're going to start off by setting an intention for our practice before we start. So gently, once you're seated, closing your eyes, putting your palms together in front of your heart center. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release the tension from your body. One more time, deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Now to set an intention for the practice. Maybe you want to see how you feel by the end of this practice. And whenever you're done, gently open your eyes. Beautiful. Now we will begin by doing some stretches from our head. So starting with the neck stretches. So slowly looking down. Inhale as you look up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Gonna look to the side, to the right, to the left. One more time, look to the right and to the left. Now we're going to slowly rotate our head, looking up and down. Inhale as you go up. Exhale as you come down. And the other way. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Beautiful. And we're going to rotate our shoulders back. Bringing it up closer to our ears and then dropping them down, back and down. Bringing it up. Inhale as you bring it up and exhale as you drop it down. Inhale, exhale. And then switch the direction, bringing it back and forward. Let's take it up towards your ears and dropping them down. Letting go of any heaviness from your shoulders, releasing any tensions. Beautiful. Now gently lift both your palms up to the sky. Gonna look up, keeping your spine straight as far as you can. And you're going to twist to our left side. So bringing your right hand on your left knee. Left hand goes back. We're going to twist and look back towards the left shoulders. And with every breath out, you're going to push yourself even more. Again, inhaling, coming back up all the way. Exhale, twist. Gently come back forward. This time we're going to do a side stretch. So keeping your right hand down towards your right side, lift your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, drop it down towards the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body. Gently lifting them up. Bring your left hand down, lift your right hand up. And exhale, drop towards your left side, feeling the stretch on your right side. We'll do that one more time, both sides. Reaching your left arm up, bending towards the right. And again, left hand down, right hand comes up, bending towards the left. Beautiful. Now drop both hands down. I'm just going to face this side so you can see. Now I'm going to bring both my legs forward. And just shake your legs first. Move the energies in your lower leg. And now you're going to fold forward. But this time you don't have to push yourself so hard. Just try to do as much as you can, okay? So keeping your back straight, not curving. Try to straighten your back as much as possible. And then you lift both your palms up all the way. Then exhale, drop it towards your toes. So if this is the farthest you can go, that's completely okay. But if not, you can try pushing yourself with every exhale breath. So take a deep inhale. Exhale, and you push yourself even further. Try to bring your head towards your knees. And on your furthest part, you hold there for a few seconds. And slowly and gently coming up. And we're going to bring both our feet together in butterfly position and hold your feet together with interlocking your palms, and then hold your feet. Then you're going to lift your knees up as high as you can and then drop it down. So you're going to do this movement for a couple of times, okay? Remember to breathe and keeping your spine straight, not round. Straighten them and just move your legs up and down. Beautiful. Now keeping your hips open, just slowly and gently folding forward. This just helps to open up your hips even more. And if you can lower yourself all the way down. Try to go as far down as you can. And slowly come up. Now, placing our foot down, we're going to come up into Malasana, Yogi Squat. Keeping our palms together, Namaste in front of us. Push your hips open with your elbows. Just push it open. Just keep it here for a few breaths. Inhaling and exhaling. Feeling the stretch on your hips. Feel the opening of your hips. And use your elbows to push your knees open even more. Deep breath in and out. Release the tension with every out breath. Now, gently place your hand down to the mat. And you're going to go into your cat and cow. So tabletop pose. Keeping your palms shoulder width distance apart, stacking them right underneath your shoulders, and your knees should be stacked right underneath your hips. Okay, so equal distance. Once you are in the tabletop position, you're going to take a deep breath in as you arch your back down. Exhale as you curve your spine up into cat, sorry. And inhale, looking up. Exhale, curving your back. Inhale again. Exhale, curve. Now come into a neutral position. From here, you're going to tuck your toes and then push your hips up. You're going to our downward dog position. Just gently bringing small movements in your legs, stretching out your legs and your hips. Maybe bending your knees one at a time, moving side to side. And from here, we're going to slowly lift our right leg up and bring it in front of you in between your palms. So we stay in the low lunge position. And from here, lift both your hands up into high lunge. Lift your hands up into the sky, keeping your right leg bent 90 degrees. Arms are straight right beside your ears, and you look up. Beautiful. Now exhale, drop your palms down, drop your knees down. And from here, you're going to slowly heel toe your feet towards your left side, and we're going to go into our pigeon pose. So from here, if you cannot stretch all the way down, that's okay. Just try to hover your hips up as much as you can and stay there. But if you're very comfortable with this position, you can maybe try to go down on your elbows. And if that's okay, then you can come all the way down, head to the ground. And stay there for a few seconds. Gently coming up. Coming up. And slowly lift your leg up, bringing it down to downward dog. Just bringing small movements again to your leg. I'm going to do the same thing again on the left side. First lifting your left leg up, keeping them straight. And bring it between your palms in front of you. Left leg is 90 degree, bent 90 degree. First stay in low lunge position. Take a deep inhale, lifting your arms up. Keeping both arms straight, right beside your ears, and look up. Hold. And gently drop your arms down, drop your knees down, and heel toe your foot towards the right side as you come down into your pigeon pose. So again, finding your comfortable position, try to see how far you can go and hold it at your farthest point. So if you can go all the way down, with the exhale, go all the way down and then hold it there. Gently coming back up and lifting your knees up, then pushing back to downward dog again, creating small movements here. Beautiful. Now once again, bringing your right foot in the center in front of you. This time we're going to go into our warrior two. So bringing both your arms, keeping them straight. Arms up, right leg is bent 90 degrees. Both your arms are straight in one line and look in front. To your warrior two. And then we're going to go to reverse warrior. So bring your left hand down towards your left as you lean towards your left side, lifting your right hand up, looking towards your palm. Gently bring it down. Now drop your hand all the way down to the ground. Keep your right leg 90 degrees and keep the other hand up towards the sky. Beautiful. Now drop your hands down. Push your right leg back. We're going to downward dog. Again, small movements on your leg. Going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring your left leg in between your palms. Going to your warrior two. Keeping your left leg bent 90 degrees, your arms are straight. From here, we're going to reverse the warrior. Right hand down on your leg, left hand comes up over your head. Feeling the stretch on the left side of your body. Now gently bring it forward, dropping your left hand down to the ground. Right hand comes up towards the sky. Look towards your right hand. And drop your right hand down. Bring your left leg back into downward dog. A few stretches here. And now gently come all the way in front of your mat, bringing both your feet in front of mat, and you're going to bend forward, forward fold. Now put your palms together. We're going to slowly lift our body up, coming to a straight position, lifting your palms up, and slight back bend. And come down into neutral position. Placing your palms in front of your heart center. Just noticing how your body's feeling at the moment. Noticing the energy flow inside your body. Noticing the peace and the bliss within you. Just know that anytime you want peace in your life, you don't have to search for it elsewhere. It's all within you. And with yoga, with movement, we get closer and closer to that inner peace within ourselves. Taking deep inhale, exhale, drop your hands down to the side. Again, 2 more deep inhale, exhale. Putting your palms on your chest and your heart center, feeling gratitude for your body, gratitude for this moment, and thanking yourself for doing this practice, this short practice. And gently open your eyes. So thank you so much for following along with me in this very short, beginner-friendly practice. I hope this made some difference in your body, and if it did, let me know in the comments how you're feeling at the end of this practice, and I will also come back with more videos like this in the future. With that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.